every reminder, every business sends appointment reminders. See you tomorrow at 2 p.m. And then they hope. That's the whole strategy. Hope. Because here's the problem with normal reminders. They only talk at the customer. The business sends the text, the customer reads it, and the business learns nothing. Is Mark actually coming tomorrow? Nobody knows. The chair gets held, the time stays blocked, and it's 2 p.m. Business finds out the hard way. But what if the reminder could talk back? What if it asked one tiny question and suddenly the business knew exactly who is coming and who might flake full day early? This is what I'm building today. A reminder that listens, one text, one letter back, and silence becomes a warning. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. And this workflow waits for the exact moment. It's not like any other workflow I've previously built. Not any other appointment reminder, a day scheduler, anything else. It targets the customer at the right time. So let's jump right into it. First of all, you would want to log into your GoHighLevel sub account like I did right here. Then go all the way back to automations, and then you're going to see this page right here. This is all the automations you've built. Like I've got 4 pages here, and each page has 10 workflows. So I have about 40 workflows. Then if you want to create the workflow, you're going to click Create Workflow on the top right. And there's plenty of options like start from scratch, build using AI, select from template, import from a campaign, or maybe even a company-based workflow. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to select start from scratch. If you select start from scratch, you're going to see this page right here. This is your canvas, and you are a painter, my friend. You're going to paint your whole workflow. And I'm going to show you exactly how. But before we actually build the workflow, we got to do the basic steps, like naming the workflow. So I'm going to name it test, but you name it what you want and what you desire. Then after you're done naming your workflow, you're going to click add new trigger. And then the trigger will be appointment status. Now it should be contact only, and the event type should be any. And then there you go. You've set the basic part of the trigger, but now you need to add the filters. So click the small button right here that says add filters. Then you're going to select it and select appointment status is. And now after that, you'll see another drop down. Select it for confirmed, because you only want to send it when the person's actually coming and not canceled. So when you're done setting up your trigger, click save trigger. Just like that, you've made your trigger. And now what you want to do is you want to make your first action. So click the small button right here that has an X on it, and then search wait. Why do you want to do this? Because you want to wait at least 24 hours or at least around 2 hours before reminding the person, so he actually remembers. So click for set period of time, and then let's do hours, and let's put 3 hours. You can put whatever you want, anywhere between 24 to 2 work, but make sure it's not 12 because then they're probably going to be sleeping. So when you're done with the wait action and the time period, you can click save action. And now what you're going to do is you're going to add another action. So click that button again, and this is AI intent detection. So you can click that right here and you can input the text. This is not like any other appointment reminder workflows I've ever made, because this can actually text back to the person without you having to do anything. So let's hop on to Claude right now, but you can select any AI you want, like Gemini, ChatGPT, or whatever you want. So here we are, we're in Claude. Now we're going to tell Claude to make a prompt we can give to the AI intent detection so it can automatically reply what the person says. So I'm going to give the prompt to Claude so it can make another prompt. Now I'm going to speak because typing is way too slow. This is why the dictation is here. Make a prompt I can give to the AI intent detection in GoHighLevel so it can automatically reply to the customer for the appointment reminder booking. So if the customer replies in any sort, it can also reply back. Make it warm, professional, and friendly. So just like that, I made the prompt so I can give to Claude, and I'm going to click send message. So another fun fact is about Claude is if you click this arrow right here, you can see what it's actually doing, like thinking about crafting warm, professional AI responses for appointment reminder booking confirmations, crafting warm, professional SMS reply handler prompt. So as you can see, it's already making our prompt. And just like that, it has made a very long prompt, but it shall do. So I'm going to go back to GoHighLevel and delete this prompt and paste one right here. So as you can see, it is a pretty long prompt, but the AI intent detection will do the job for us. So after that, click Save Action. And as you can see, the AI intent detection already made 3 branches: positive, negative, and none. So the customer has to say positive, maybe has to say negative, or has to say nothing. And now there's only one more action left to place. And it's gonna go between the wait and the AI intent detection. Can you guess where it goes? Right here, right in the middle. So once again, you're gonna click this button right here and select Send Internal Notification. This is because so your business already knows that the AI has sent a message to the customer. So you can select type of notification to whatever you want, but I'm going to select SMS because it's quick and easy. And then you're going to have to select a user type. So click it and select whatever you want. Like, do you want all users, assigned owners, custom numbers, or particular users? I usually like to do all users because why not? And then there's no need to select any templates or add any files and attachments. Simply just type your message here. So you could say something like, the AI has sent the reminder message to the, and you can put a custom value, contact, full name. And if you ever want to upgrade your text, you can simply copy it, click Write with AI, paste it, and then just say, make it better. And then you can select the tone to, let's do casual or friendly. And then click Generate SMS. Just like that, it's already generated SMS. And then click Use Message if you like it. But if you don't like it, you can make some modification by typing something here. Or you can just type it by yourself. So click Use Message, and there you go. It has made the message. Just a friendly reminder that the information you requested has been sent. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Best regards, sender name, blah, blah, blah. And you can make it more casual if you want because it's just your team. And they'll understand what you're doing. So after all of that, click Save Actions. And there you go. You've made the AI appointment reminder in GoHighLevel. It has only 3 actions: wait, internal notification, and AI intent detection, and 1 action. And as you can see, the AI intent detection already creates 3 branches. And if you ever want to publish it, simply click this draft to publish and save it right here. It's published, it's working, and you've successfully made a appointment reminder workflow in GoHighLevel. So let us go back to the Mark. Old way, Mark gets a reminder, reads it in the elevator, and the business spends the whole day hoping. New way, Mark has 3 doors. He replies, he gives a positive message, or he ignores. And the customer who says nothing at all, The owner knows about them a full day early, with time to call or fill the spot. Confirmed, moved, or even flagged. Every single customer sorted automatically. Nobody hopes anymore. Everybody knows. See you in the next one.